Okay, good morning, greetings and welcome. Now let's have a little bit of a look at the development process in Tai Chi and Qigong. When you're starting into this journey, some people are going to start from the physical, some people are going to start from the mental, some people are going to start from the astral, from the feelings, and if you want to have an optimal speed or growth of development, you need to start from all three at the same time. So, mind leads Qi, Qi leads body. And this is the basic fabric of Tai Chi, it's the basic fabric of internal methods, that the mind focuses on a very particular frequency of feeling and then uses the body to amplify that feeling until it becomes a field of consciousness, and then to move the mind, the feeling and the body in a synchronistic way to perform your Tai Chi form. So these three are synchronized, they're harmonized together to do Tai Chi movement. So this is very, very important that you not get caught up in technique. If you're focusing on your body, you are doing it wrong. You should be focusing on feelings and how you use your body to amplify feelings. If you're going, oh, I've got to loosen this, I've got to relax and sink that, no, you're on the wrong track. The feeling of energy relaxes and releases your body. Relaxation doesn't actually relax and release your body. It just takes away a superficial level. It doesn't signal to your subconscious, I want to fully let this go. It's a very slow journey when you're working from the outside, when you're working from the bodily sensation. You want to go to the astral energy root and unlock from the root. So the mind needs to tune into this. So in this development process, we focus on vital energy first. So the mind focuses on the feeling of vital energy through expanding the joints, expanding the will into the space between the hands into the ball and producing a magnetic fluid. As soon as you have that magnetic fluid, you want to refine that magnetic fluid. You want to adjust your body mechanics to increase it. You want to adjust your attentiveness of your mind to increase it, and that fluid gets stronger. Then we slow it down to further refine it. We release time. We breathe it in, pause, enter the stillness, everything becomes quiet and still, and then as we breathe out in a slower rhythm, the energy thickens, deepens, and you have that Tai Chi type substance feeling of movement in your body when you do Tai Chi. So this first stage applies to a whole broad spectrum of different teachings. If you're doing Kabbalah, you need to understand how the vital energy of the body fuels and animates life in each Kabbalistic sound, in each frequency. You have the physical life force which fuels it. The life force fuels your mind, it fuels your feelings, it fuels your body. All living things are dependent on life force. So you want to become highly synchronized with this feeling of life force, how to amplify life force, how to bring it up and then use it as a fuel for meditation practice. So you can fuel your body, fuel your feeling, fuel your mind to master Samadhi, to master open Vipassana awareness. The way you create a self-fulfilling prophecy within the fuel generates a blueprint for mastery. So your basic starting point in metaphysical practice is to define what is my mental body, how do I train it? What is my astral body? How do I train it? What is my physical body? How do I train it? And get these three bodies, these three areas of training to synchronize. In Franz Barden's text, Initiation to Hermetics, he goes through mental training, astral and physical. You've got three different areas and you put an equal amount of time each day into developing them as you polish individual facets, then you synchronize them to produce the final results. And this gets you to mastery much more quickly than doing something like, okay, let's loosen the body, let's look at these bodily inches in the form or any nonsense like that. That's a completely incorrect way of entering into Tai Chi. Mind, feeling, reticulates in the body, you refine the body to create more feeling and expand your mind. So it's a unified, synchronized field. Okay, thank you for your time. And see you in the next video.